Hello, crafters and artisans, and welcome back to Psychedelic Squid Fiber Arts. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the finish on a wood crochet hook. So, starting from last time, I have my wood crochet hook that I've charred, and next I'm going to stain it blue using unicorn spit. Now, I'm going to use a section from the finger of a glove to protect the wood before wrapping it up in electrical tape. I use electrical tape because it's not too tacky and it's kind of rubbery, so it protects the wood from dents from the metal chuck. Once I've got my stained hook centered in the chuck, I'm going to finish it using super glue, aka cyanoacrylate or CA glue. I'm going to run my lathe at 500 to 800 RPM and use a silicone paintbrush to spread the super glue. When using super glue, please use proper protective equipment and use in a well-ventilated space. I do 3 coats of liquid superglue, followed by 4 coats of medium viscosity superglue. After letting that dry a minimum of 15 minutes, I'm going to sand it smooth. Starting at 2000 RPM and with a 400 grit sandpaper, I'm going to go up to 600, then start wet sanding at 800, then to 1000, then to 2000. After that, I'm going to use a rubbing compound, followed by a polishing compound to make the finish really shine. Now for the hook portion, I'm going to use my Dremel with the cutting disc on it and cut a notch into the wood near the tip. I'm cutting about 2/3 of the way through it at roughly 6-degree angle. Then I'm going to widen this cut by pulling the cutting disc outward at a 45-degree angle. I didn't do a great job of filming this as I was more focused on the piece than the angle I was filming at, so I've included these diagrams to better show what I did. Next, for the front of the hook, I'm going to sand down the edges into a curved V, like this diagram shows. I left the tip of my crochet hook just a tad bit too long, so I'm going to sand that down off screen with my orbital sander. Then I'm left with this. You can see the unfinished wood. Then I'm going to char and stain the exposed wood. After that, I'm going to apply more super glue. This time, I'm going to do 3 to 4 coats of the liquid, allowing the glue to dry fully between coats. Now we repeat the process of sanding and polishing, but I'll be doing it by hand. So 400 grit sandpaper, 600, 800, 1000, 2000, and then the rubbing compound and the polishing compound. Now I made an inline hook, and if you want a tapered hook, you'd have to plan for the tapered hook during the initial wood turning. For the tip, instead of doing a straight head at the desired thickness, you would have to create a bulb at the head. Then, off the lathe, you would have to round down 3 sides of the hook, and then shape the head like we did before. I'll do a more detailed video on this next time. And there we go, a beautiful fully wood crochet hook. I mentioned in the last video I wouldn't recommend using oak for this. Because of its large grain structure, it made getting a nice finish extremely difficult. Even here, you can see a few divots in the glue from where that grain disrupted the process. Overall, I'm extremely happy with it, but I won't be using oak in the future. I'd recommend something like maple instead. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and feel free to visit my Facebook page or Instagram to ask clarifying questions or about things I haven't covered yet. Thank you all so much for exploring the depths of your creativity with me, and I'll see you next time.